Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps lagging on the application of Duolingo. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Duolingo. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.